Hey guys, I got this package from Fresh Plus Simple, and they're little boba drinks, so let's unbox them together. I already opened the box because I was too excited, but whatever. First off, the packaging is really nice. It came in this aluminum bubble wrap thing. That's pretty cool. They came with some straw. It even has an ice pack in here, so I ordered 6 mango juice plus crystal boba. This is what they look. Oh, this is what they look like out the box. It's very like portable, like, you know what I mean? It's kind of like boba on the go. Okay, let's do a taste test. Actually, let me shake it up first. Okay. Ooh, it smells good. It kind of smells like a boba shop. Ooh. Ooh. It tastes like it tastes like milk tea, but I don't know what flavor of milk tea. It just tastes like milk tea. Let me put the straw in. This is the straw out of the package, and it literally fits perfectly in the bottle. The pearls are okay. They're a little squishy feeling. They're not like regular, like black tapioca pearls, but they're like clear, those clear jelly ones. But this is pretty good. 8 out of 10.